Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 51 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. Hey, Freedom Stackers! Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing so that we all can stack 5 ounces of silver and a 10th ounce of gold on alternating monthly schedules. Well, you made it. It's week 51 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning. Because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to stack 5 ounces of silver and a 10th ounce of gold on alternating monthly schedules. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me myself, I save mine in my Acorns account. If you don't already have an Acorns account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use the code in any of my videos. That way it'll know that you came from me, and you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 added to my account for free. Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 51 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge, and we are currently adding $45 a week at this point. So we're going to do a one-time deposit of $45. Got it. Invest. Confirm. And got it. The challenge I committed to has me buying 10 ounces of silver in December in order to hit the 41 ounces of silver for the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. It's really looking like I'm going to be getting war nickels if it maintains this for another week, because $1 face is just over an ounce of silver, so you really can't beat 31 cents over spot. If you're not really into war nickels and the 35%ers and you're more into the 40%ers, Apmex does have $10 face, which is just under 3 ounces of silver. So if you wanted to, double up or do some math and figure something out as far as that goes, that's an option as well. Or, if you have another round or coin or something that you're after this year, make that your purchase. It doesn't have to be the cheapest in order to hit your goals. If your goals are something other than the most amount of silver for the cheapest price. And if you're following along with me and you're after a 1/10 ounce of gold, let's see. Looks like the 1/10 ounce Prospector Golden Gems is still the cheapest out there. So it's actually a pretty nice looking coin or round. And if you're more after the American Eagle, it looks like Bullion Exchange has still got it. It's got it for, looks like a random year and the 2020. at the current moment. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking and I'll see you in the next one.